Welcome to Talk It Out with Donna. Today we have a special guest for you on what better way to start off this channel on interviewing someone who know me when I was a child. I know this lady since I was a child, and she has remembered things that I myself don't even remember. So what better way to start off talking out it with Donna by bringing someone who known me from I was a child, so that way you could get to know me even better and how I was raised. And that's the best way for me to start this show with someone who know me when I was little. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Also, we have a lot of guests lined up who wants to share their story. So I wanted to do this since since 2020. I wanted to start this show, but I didn't. So now I've decided in my mind that I have to start this show so you guys could get to enjoy some of our content that we have, like a podcast, YouTube videos, but it's mostly about interviewing people that have a story to tell, maybe have a little drama, nothing too, nothing too, because we respect our people, we respect our community. I have different culture people also that have stories wanted to share. My goal is to upload every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you could come back here until, if it's getting overloaded, I will definitely try to do it more often. But for now, because we're just starting, I wanted to it's starting to get crowded. I could do it more days, but right now the goal is really to start 3 days a week and see how it goes. But I do have my list already, ready for their interviews, to share their stories and letting you know. And guys, I really wanted you to participate in the comment sections below. So people are looking for your answers to, if they're asking question, if I have questions to ask, people are looking forward for that too. So hopefully you guys enjoy this channel that I am about to start with Talk It Out with Donna. Lots of stories to tell you. So hopefully you enjoy it. And as I said, a little mix up, a little drama, a little bit of everything. Not too much drama though, but a little bit of everything. People like entertainment and storytelling. So people like communication, family, and stuff like that. So we are all about everything here on this channel. So I hope you enjoy it, and sit back and relax and enjoy talking it out with Donna. So so let's go, guys. Now today we have Maxine, and Maxine is somebody that I admired when I was a child growing up. I still do. It's just that we're not living in the same country anymore, and every now and then we will communicate. But she knows me very well since I was like 5+, right up till I was 19 years old. So met her on Facebook a little bit over a year ago, and we started communicating on Facebook. So I asked her that she's a big part of, when I was growing up, knowing some of my stories, and I want her to, talk about it. All the people them that I grew up in that community, they're no longer there. So it's just she. So I was so happy when I found her on Facebook, and we've been talking over a year or so. I wrote my book, and a lot of the story that she knows, and some things that she said to me I don't even remember. So some of those stuff are not even a part of my book. So I'm so happy to talk it out with her right here on this channel. So see you in a minute. I'm gonna get to Maxine and you join us. Don't forget to like the video. I I truly appreciate you, and I hope you stick around for the video with Maxine. See you soon.